discretion advised.
Now, some people out there will know who I'm talking about when I say
The man in the white coat
sells refined silver crystals. It has been for a long time, especially on eBay. He has just now currently gotten quite popular, but he's been refining silver and gold for a while. 2010, I believe he said. And 3 years ago, a fellow YouTuber bought 10 ounces of refined silver crystals from the man in the white coat, then made a video of him pouring this bar from the refined crystals. Well, the man in the white coat recently put up a hand-poured bar of silver that has reached a 10-ounce bar, mind you, 10 ounces, has reached the astronomical price of $1,100. God knows if the person that wins is actually going to pay that $100 an ounce for silver. But I got this one for, he had it up for $240 and he dropped it to $220, but it was best offer. And I offered him like melt value plus shipping, right? Not very much at all. And he come back with I believe it was $19.50 an ounce, so $195 for the 10-ounce bar, which I could probably get it at the mint for $177, then pay shipping on top. But you're you know, with a mint, you know what you're getting a little bit better than this. But I figure since the man in the white coat commented on the video this fellow made about pouring this bar using the man in the white coat's material, if the man in the white coat had not sold him this quantity of material, then surely the man in the white coat would have said something in the comments of the video. So, I feel fairly confident that is what it's represented to be, which is a 10-ounce bar of silver. 11 ounces. Troy ounces are 10% bigger than regular ounces, so 10 Troy ounces would be 11 standard ounces. So, right on the money. Thank you, sir. This one is from JRC Finds. I've had this for a while. This is a junior entrepreneur. This kid, and I say kid because he's a kid. He's 12 years old. And he went out and bought $500 worth of NASCAR cars. And he got all kinds. Him and his dad sells on eBay. I don't know which one I admire the most, the kid or the dad. But that kid's gonna be hell on wheels when he grows up, I tell you what. And he packs better than I do. I don't know if he had help with the packing or he did the packing or what, but the packing's top notch. I'm hoping for a channel sticker, but I'm afraid that I'm not. I'm Hey, it's a channel sticker. Check it out. Check it out. I'm seriously, I don't know if you can tell it, but I'm actually extremely happy that I got one of these. I figured these would be reserved for like Lonnie and John and the people with the, you know, ultra humpteen thousand million subscribers, but nope, got my own right there. Die cut too. So adding to my channel sticker collection. Got the blue bubble wrap. This is the expensive stuff. Hopefully he's reusing something. That is the Ricky Craven 1969 Tide Pontiac. And anybody that knows anything about NASCAR knows that Ricky Craven is the 10-time champion, and he won 8 of those championships driving this 69 Pontiac GTO. And always been a fan. Cut. It's very nice. I'm very happy with it. I'm sure 10-time champion Ricky Craven is happy with it. I know you're not supposed to open these and take them out and all this, you know, blah, blah, blah. It devalues them. Blah, blah, blah. But I honestly don't care. This is probably going to go in my the glass case anyway. So whether I take it out and display it or leave it in the box, I'm looking at it myself. I'm not showing it through the camera. NASCAR fans will recognize the famous number 32 of Ricky Craven. I believe his name's Alex. Hey, that's bad that I don't remember the kid's name. No, that's not it. Alright, yes. Thank you, Junior Capitalist.
Oh, that's terrible. Yeah, it is. It really is.